What's up guys? In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to create a personalized profile picture for your business Instagram account that pops out and sticks out to your target audience. And make sure you stick around to the end of this video because I'm gonna show you some very key indicators that are gonna tell you whether or not you should be using your face as a profile picture or whether or not you should be using your logo as a profile picture. So let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna do is head over to your Canva account and you're gonna click on create a design, and then you're gonna click on Instagram post. And that's gonna bring you to a page that looks like this. So what you wanna do is click on the photo that you wanna use for your profile picture. This picture should be a very clear photo of your face. So I'm just gonna get rid of the sections that I don't wanna see here, and then I'm gonna click on edit image. And then I'm gonna click on background remover. Remember that we wanna get rid of anything that might be distracting to our audience, and we wanna keep the focus on us and our face. Once the background image has been removed, you're gonna click done. And then you're gonna resize the image so it takes up the whole page. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on shadows, and then we're gonna click on glow. Then what we wanna do is get rid of the blur. And I also want to get rid of the transparency, so I'm going to crank that up to 100. Then I also want to increase the size of the glow. So I'm going to add it till it's about this thick and it creates an outline around my face. And then I'm going to click on colors and I'm going to add white. So once that's done, I'm going to click on the outer photo and I'm going to add a background color. So you want to add a background color that is similar to your logo colors. So mine is this pinky red color here, and it is also black, white, and gray. So I decided to keep it super simple and just add a black background with a white trim around my face. But do whatever is going to look best to you and make you feel confident about your profile picture. Adding really bright backgrounds can also be a great way to stick out. So once you're satisfied with your image, you're gonna go up to share, and then you're going to hit download. Now that's all there is to creating a personalized profile picture for your social media pages. And you might be wondering, okay, well, when's the best time to be using an actual profile picture of me? And when should I be using my logo? And the answer is, if you are the face of your company and you are the one interacting with your customers or clients the most, make sure that you use a profile picture of you. That's going to make people trust you more, and it is also gonna add a more humanized touch to your business. And because people are dealing with you specifically, it actually makes more sense to use you as your profile picture instead of your logo. With that said, thank you so much for being here and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. If you learned something new or enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I will catch you on the next one.